Should I buy or sell NIO? The report for NIO was first published on our website Wednesday, January 25, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 23, 2023, our system ranks NIO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.755. In this period the stock has not performed as our systems expected and actually had a loss of -3.57% so far. This is an average return of -1.19% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for NIO, our last headline reads, "Red day on Wednesday for NIO stock after losing 0.428%. The NIO stock price fell by -0.428% on the last day, Wednesday, January 25, 2023, from $11.68 to $11.63. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 4.34% from a day low at $11.28 to a day high of $11.77. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still up by 3.47% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -10 million shares and in total, 26 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $296.74 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $26.41, and the lowest price was $8.38. Right now the price is 55.96%, or $14.78, below 52-week high and 82.64%, or $55.36, below all-time high January 11, 2021 where the price hit $66.99. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 7.22% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -9.10% and 28.01%. The 12-month trend indicates a -40.41% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -64.93% and -9.85%. This equals a price between $4.08 and $10.48 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, China Renaissance set price target to 10.4. On Tuesday, December 20, 2022, Mizuho set price target to 28. On Monday, November 28, 2022, Jefferies set price target to 11.26. On Monday, November 21, 2022, Deutsche Bank set price target to 21. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Barclays set price target to 18. From analysts, NIO stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for NIO. The NIO stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the stock has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $11.38 and $11.40. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 23, 2023, and so far it has fallen -3.57%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 98 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 88 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 82 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $11.44, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.490 between high and low, or 4.34%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 15.3%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for NIO. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. NIO currently has a price-earning ratio of -1.73. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released March 22, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.260. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, NIO meets first resistance at $11.68. If you do not hold NIO shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, NIO finds first level of support at $11.44, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for NIO is buy. Our recommended stop loss is $11.04, minus 5.08%. This stock has high daily movements, and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 2 days ago. Is NIO stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for NIO stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 26th, we expect NIO to open down $0.0700 and start trading at $11.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to